MacJac, where the paw print of your furry family member becomes a treasured piece of art. Your cuddly, furry, four-legged family member brings you endless joy. So why wouldn't you celebrate their existence with Pawsome Doggy Paw Print wall art? It's cute, it's adorable, it's the best decoration in the world, and it will keep melting your heart for years to come. Amazing! How do you get it? Go to our website, MacJacGifts.com. Click on the DNA Art tab, and then the Love is a Four-Legged Word template. Well, it is. Select the image size, material, and color, and we'll ship you our smart, mess-free, inkless collection kit within 24 hours. Get the sample of your beloved doggy's paw print. There will be no direct contact with ink, promise. Mail us the paw print card, and we'll personalize it according to the details you send us. And then we ship you your personalized Pawsome art piece to love and adore forever. Celebrate your best friend with a Pawsome Doggy Paw Print today.